INIDETAM, Science and Technology at the Service of the Homeland. The Mexican Navy, in the field of its attributions and with the vision of diminishing technological foreign dependence and of projecting itself as a vanguard institution, carries out scientific research activities through the Research and Technological Development Institute of the Mexican Navy, INIDETAM. Created on September 16, 2001, and located in the naval facilities of Antón Lizardo, Veracruz, the Institute's mission is to conduct research and development projects on its own or in coordination with other institutions, either with its own resources or those from the Sectorial Fund for Research and Development in Naval Sciences, in which there is a participation of the National Council for Science and Technology, CONACYT, in order to support force, unit, and naval establishment operations. In order to fulfill its mission and vision, INIDETAM has the following main functions: training and updating, relationship and partnership, research, development and integration, replica production, technical support, and administration and organization. INIDETAM counts on highly qualified personnel holding PhD degrees, master degrees, and engineering BA. They are specialized in knowledge areas like computer sciences and informatics, modeling, simulation and virtual environments, electronics and control, mechatronics and instrumentation, engineering in aeronautics, communications, signal processing, applied physics and optics, and cyberspace. In the innovation process for the generation and search of new technologies, research, development, and integration, but these functions won't be carried out properly without the presence of highly qualified human resources and the support from other subject matter specialized centers. It is here where substantial training and updating functions become relevant, and relationship and partnership allows INIDETAM to work with different national and foreign institutions to keep and increase its capabilities. That's why the Mexican Navy has signed several cooperation agreements for research and development with prestigious national and international universities and educational centers, like the National Council for Science and Technology, CONACYT, the National Autonomous University, the National Polytechnical Institute, the Autonomous University of Nuevo León, the Veracruzana University, the National Institute of Astrophysics, Optics, and Electronics, among others. Also, there is a close relationship with different national educational institutions so that their students can carry out internships, entrepreneurship semesters, academic stays, and lectures by CONACYT members in the different areas or projects developed at this institute. The following projects are currently under development: Mexican Navy Data Link System, SEDAM. It is a system with the capability of sharing a common operational panorama and exchanging tactical information of interest for optimizing decision-making. Digitalization of the control and monitoring system of ship propulsion plant, DCCOM. DCCOM is a system that allows controlling and monitoring of the propulsion gear in the Mexican Navy surface units, within safe operation parameters as well as the monitoring of secondary functions. Command and Control System of the Mexican Navy, CICAM. System aimed at processing the information, controlling and providing follow-up to naval operations, as well as the visualization in real time of the common operational panorama. Intelligence System of the Mexican Navy, CIAM. Computing platform for the intelligence system of the Mexican Navy, whose purpose is the optimization of the processes involved within the naval intelligence cycle by means of information analysis tools interconnected to an institutional database. Unmanned Aerial System for Vertical Takeoff and Landing, SAND-DAF. The objective of this project is the design, manufacture, integration, and testing of an unmanned aerial system capable of carrying out vertical takeoffs and landings. Air Surveillance Radar, SINACAN. Air surveillance radar based on functional prototypes in 3 dimensions: marking, distance, and altitude. Optoelectronic Shooting Control System, Garfio 3.0. It consists of a shooting control system for naval guns Boffer caliber 57mm Mk3 installed on board of Mexican Navy's oceanic patrols. Completed projects: Mexican Navy Autonomous Patrolling System of Aerial Tactical Reconnaissance, SPARTAM. The Spartan project is aimed at designing, developing, and integrating UAS as for counting on a system for gathering intelligence information to strengthen ISR capabilities and provide support to all the operations carried out by the Naval Intelligence Unit. Maritime Surveillance with Sonar System, CIVISO. System formed by both a variable depth sonar and sound buoys aimed at providing ocean patrols with subaquatic detection capabilities. This project reached remarkable achievements in the areas of acoustics, signal processing, electronics, and mechanics. As a result of this, there is now a maritime surveillance system formed by 4 types of sonars: portable sonar, passive sound buoy, active sound buoy, and variable depth sonar, all of which are integrated in a portable container and provide ocean patrols with the aforementioned capabilities. Training Center for the Command and Control System of the Mexican Navy, CECISCAM. Center created with the objective of training and preparing personnel in the operation and maintenance of data link, command and control, and ISR systems. 2 main simulation systems were considered within this project. The first one is an operation simulator which counted with 10 cabins, 8 of which for the simulation of surface, aerial, and terrestrial operational units. 1 more aimed at the simulation of a naval command room, and the last one for simulating the Mexican Navy ISR Operations Center. The second simulation system corresponds to a simulation of data link systems, which in turn integrates 6 stations from SEDAM, and a failure generation system from which structures may enter the most common failures that could be met in a SEDAM system. Development of an aerodynamically stable body of free flight, propelled by a solid fuel, BV-01. The general objective of this project was the development of an aerodynamically stable 70mm diameter and a meter-long prototype, aluminum body and a graphite nozzle that could be launched from a testing platform, counting on an up to 10-kilometer free flight propelled by medium-energy solid fuel. Along with the prototypes, software and hardware are designed, built, and integrated in a set of subsystems for a prototype rocket for its tactical use in the Mexican Navy. Virtual Shooting Range, CATVIR. This system consists of a simulator that leads to a training of naval personnel in the use of organic armament. It provides the users with shooting scenarios against fixed targets, bullseye, reaction shooting, and movable target shooting, all of this by means of 3D scenarios and IR lasers. One of the first projects from INIDETAM, installed in 5 units from the Mexican Navy. Navigation Simulator for Naval Museums in Mexico and Puerto Vallarta, SIPNAVMUS 1 and 2. Navigation simulators of ludic use that leads visitors to naval museums to feel the experience of commanding a Mexican Navy vessel as if they were entering to or leaving from the ports of Veracruz and Puerto Vallarta, Jalisco. By this means, the Research and Technological Development Institute of the Mexican Navy seeks to be a leader in the national scientific arena, capable of diminishing foreign technological dependency and to present the Mexican Navy as a cutting-edge institution in the use of national technology, with the only objective of working for Mexico. INIDETAM, Science and Technology at the service of the homeland.